In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check activity on Salesforce. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find upcoming tasks, overdue items, and the full history of activity on an account. All within the Lightning experience, so you can stay organized and follow up with confidence. First, open Salesforce and make sure you're in the Lightning interface. You'll see the navigation bar along the top with standard objects. This walkthrough focuses on activity at the account level, which is where most teams track company-wide interactions and follow-ups. If your screen looks different because of a custom app or layout, don't worry. The sections I mentioned are typically available in most standard page setups. Next, click the Accounts tab in the top navigation. Accounts represent the companies you work with, and viewing activity here gives you a consolidated picture across contacts, tasks, and events. This is especially helpful before a meeting or when planning your next outreach because it gathers what's due and what's already been done in one place. From the list of accounts, choose the record you want to review. Click the account name to open its detail page. This brings you to the account's full record, including details, related information, and the activity panel. If you have a long list, use the list view search or filters to quickly find the right account. Opening the record is important because activity is specific to that account and its related contacts and opportunities. On the account page, locate the upcoming and overdue section in the activity area. This panel highlights what needs attention now, such as tasks that are due soon and anything that's past due. It's a quick snapshot designed to keep you on track without digging through multiple screens. If you don't immediately see items, check that the page has finished loading and confirm you're on the correct account. Some teams also apply filters on the timeline, so make sure nothing is hiding your tasks by date or type. When you want the full picture, click Show All Activities. This expands the activity timeline so you can review everything in one view: upcoming and overdue tasks, past meetings, logged calls, and emails, depending on your organization's setup. Use the timeline controls to scan by date, look for key milestones, and individual items for more detail. This view is perfect for preparing for calls, confirming what's already been sent, and ensuring no commitments slip through the cracks. That's it. Open Salesforce, go to Accounts, choose the right account, check upcoming and overdue for priorities, and then show all activities for the complete history. Thanks for watching, and keep your follow-ups timely and your accounts up to date.